Alright, so I guess we have a change of plan again. So the driver apparently thinks that the John Deere is going to be able to lift this. At home, we'll see. I guess it weighs 750 pounds? I don't know. I wonder if it's stuck on our fifth wheel hitch. Rail things. I bet he's a happy guy up there, not unloaded at home.
In the intro to this video, you saw me getting this split fire chipper into the bed of the truck. We actually had to go to a Walmart, meet the truck driver there because it was a 53-foot truck trailer and there was no way for him to park along the road here in front of our house or to come down our long driveway. The best method we could come up with was to put this in the back of the truck from the lift gate, and then this is about 750 pounds on the skid, so we're going to see if the John Deere can carefully lower it without tipping forward. We'll just kind of have to get a feel for it and see if that's going to be possible or not. If it's not possible, we'll probably unbolt it, lift it off by itself. It's about 500 pounds, and then take the skid and all the extra stuff off separately. It's time to take these doors off. It's about 85 degrees today. Light on my back tires.
Oh, look at back. mostly standing on the ballast box in the back of the John Deere.
That got a little sketchy.
That was probably really stupid. I'm glad I've resorted to doing stupid man stuff.
Jennifer had to use her mass as additional ballast on the back of the tractor because it was going to lift the back of the tractor right off the ground when I was trying to lower out of the truck. So that worked out good for her to stand on
I'm
the
glad
back.
you were able to use me as mass on the back of the tractor so the tractor didn't flip over.
So, really excited to announce that we have partnered with Splitfire, and you may be familiar with them as a log splitter company, but they also do make chippers like this one. So stay tuned in future videos. We'll be doing a total review of this Splitfire 4090 chipper. You can see we've got some assembly to do. This is actually not a brand new unit. This has been demoed on a couple other YouTube channels. So it's got some scuffs and scratches and dents in it. So when you see the reveal of it, when it's all assembled, it's not going to look like a brand new machine that you would receive when you order one. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. Again, look forward to future videos where we're really testing this thing out. We've got lots of limbs to cut down and chip up, so I think we've got a perfect time of the year to try this.